Hello guys, how are you guys doing? How is everything going? How are your family members? How are you? I hope you guys are doing great. We always remember that English is so fun and that is why we are learning. Today we are in week 4. This is our all week content video. For Monday, page 56 and 57, we have our keywords. Desert, desierto. Please repeat them after me. Sand, arena. Moon, luna. Good job. For today, we have witty reading, and we will demonstrate that we can reflect on a story or the story that we read. Fox wants to go to the moon. Okay? Some word association we can do is that we can relate a word or expression. Okay, so for example, if I say comic book, what comes to your mind? Like pictures, superheroes, story maybe, or maybe Batman. Dry, what comes to your mind? Desert, no water. Thirsty, not wet. Vegetation, plants, trees, green, and jungle. So those are words that can come to your mind whenever you are talking about something. Today, on Monday, you guys will write your own ending to the story, and we always remember that it's a fun activity. It betters our writing, so we can be better at writing with this. It creates a different solution to the story, so a different ending. It solves the problem of the story. We are still solving the problem of the story, okay? And we need to use our imagination. We need to use our imagination and always have fun, guys. All right? Good. For Tuesday, we have page 58 and 59, okay? Our keywords are, please repeat after me, cloud, nube, elevator, elevator, elevador, tooth, tooth, diente. All right? Good job. Let's keep going. For today, we have that we know how to write our plural nouns correctly, okay? So remember that plural nouns are formed by changing vowels within the word, okay? So it's best to practice the unique plural nouns, the ones that are irregular, okay? So because those can get us really confused. All right, so for example, we have foot, feet, goose, geese. Listen to this one. Man, 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 man. All right, we have woman, woman, women, women. You see the difference? It's so different. Tooth, teeth. So we always remember that a noun does not describe, okay? Describing words are called adjectives. Remember that, okay? It does not refer to an action. Those are called verbs, okay? So it's different. A noun is something different. Just changes the word, okay? So for example, these. I gave you some examples. Mouse, mice, wolf, wolves, knife, knives, tooth, teeth, person, people, women, and women, all right? For Wednesday, we are in page 60 and 61. Keywords, repeat after me. Safe, safe, a salvo. Village, village, aldea. And like as you guys know, Wednesdays, miércoles. All right, or miércoles as in plural. Todos los miércoles, you know. All right. All right, so for this one, we have that we can implement our own examples into different kinds of sentences. For example, we remember that we have these 4 types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory, okay? Let's just go over what they mean again. So let's remember what they are. Declarative sentence is when it makes a statement, okay? So it says something about a person, animal, place, or object, and it always ends with the period, okay? For example, a lot of dogs are really cute, period, okay? Let's keep going. I left this here because this is really useful, okay? This is really useful. Please read them all out loud. Read them all out loud. Like, the sky is blue. I am a third grade student, okay? Interrogative or an imperative. An interrogative sentence is when they ask you a question. As you guys know, it always ends with a question mark. And for example, I forgot the question mark right here. How did you learn how to play the piano? All right, question. It makes a command or a request. That is the imperative sentence, okay? Imperative sentence makes a command or a request, and it could end with an exclamation mark or a period, okay? All right, so for example, Mike, hang on, I still have your book, you know? So things like that. Interrogative sentence. These are some interrogative sentences. Please read them all right? Read them all. These are some imperative sentences. Read them again. So for example, stop eating candy. Go find a movie, you know? Alright, in exclamatory sentences, like you know, it indicates a strong feeling, and of course they express a lot of emotions. So for example, yay, yay, this is my favorite movie. Alright? They always end with an exclamation point or exclamation mark. Let's go watch it right now, you know? So like that, these are some examples. Please read them all out loud. You won the prize. This is a huge whale. And things like that. For Thursday, we have page 62 and 63, sorry. Our keywords are following, siguiendo, grassland, praderas o pradera, rainforest, it's the selva, okay? All right, so for Thursday, we have that we can identify where animal lives, all right? So where they live. And as you know, animals have a lot of places where they live, but some of the basic ones and the main ones, the more important ones, are these 4, okay? So for example, we have rainforest, where the jaguar, sloths, and gorillas live. The ocean, whales, seahorses, sea lions, fish, etc. The desert, where camels, spiders, foxes, and scorpions and other animals live. And the grasslands, where zebras, lions, and elephants and rhinos live. Alright? You guys know a lot about animals. I gave you a little picture so you have a little idea of where these animals live. Okay, so please look at it detailedly, look far for you guys to have a lot of animals right there. Alright, for Friday we have page 64 and 65. We're still doing test yourself and consolidation. For test yourselves, we will analyze a couple of things. For example, the reading and writing part 6, where we will look and read and write yes or no to the questions that we have, right? for consolidation, we need to create a list of items that we could use in outer space. And from that list, we will choose one item and we will answer this question. How do you expect this item that it would be used in mission? So how do you expect this item that it could be used in the mission? All right, so how, and then we will make a drawing, okay? And then of course we will fill out the part, be aware of our progress by saying yes or not yet. All right, for Thursday, I remember you, for Thursday you guys have this audio. I will play it for you, okay?
Guess the habitat.
Wait. I will play it for you because you guys need to listen to it.
Guess the habitat.
1. This environment is known by different names such as steppe, prairie, pampas, and savanna. It's located between forests and deserts. Rhinos, giraffes, hyenas, warthogs, zebras, and elephants live in the African savanna.
2. In this environment, you can find very tall trees, bushes, and shrubs. There are a lot of plant species in this habitat, such as orchids and nut trees. Butterflies, toads, and sloths live in this environment.
3. This environment is a very dry place because it doesn't rain frequently there. It's also known as dry land. Some animals you can find in this environment are camels, snakes, and scorpions.
4. This environment covers around 70% of the Earth's surface. It is divided in 5 sections known as Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, Indian, and Southern or Antarctic. Many wonderful animals live here, like sharks, whales, turtles, and octopuses.
Alright, so that was the recording for Thursday so that you guys don't have to look for it. I remind you guys that for Wednesday, for the YouTube videos, oh, this is not the channel. Okay, it's not the channel, sorry. Okay, here we go. This one. Okay, for this one, guys, remember that you guys have your videos on this YouTube channel, and you guys can find the videos there, okay? Look at all the videos that you guys have. Look, there's the homework calendar one, and then the one from last week, and this one. Okay, love you guys so much. Sorry about that. Okay, bye guys, I love you guys, and I will see you next week.